एंड एक साल में इतना कुछ चेंज हो गया है, वो देख के आई एम रियली अमेज्ड एंड आई लव दिस ब्लॉग. AIDS is one of the best blogs in this university. Like previously when I was there were just 3 blogs, but now this blog, the library, it gives Korean culture and it looks like that. But my job was in a completely different sector. It was in marketing
and design, और आपका कोर था CS.
Student council has played a major role in our college life. That added the fun part to the university.
Hi everyone, this is Arav Gupta from Galgotias and I'm very excited to announce that हर वीक हम एक एल्यूमिनाई इंटरेक्शन करते हैं विद डिफरेंट पीपल जो गलगोटियाज से अलग अलग जगह प्लेस्ड हो रखे हैं. हम उनसे बात करते हैं, उनकी मेमोरीज पूछते हैं, उनको कैंपस विजिट कराते हैं. मैम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट. हाउ
Thank
आर
you
यू
so
फीलिंग?
much. I'm feeling amazing. It's so good to be back.
कैसा लग रहा है देखकर? अब कब के पास आउट हो?
Last year.
अच्छा.
Yeah, I passed out last year itself. And एक साल में इतना कुछ चेंज हो गया है, वो देख के I am really amazed. And I love this blog. AIDS is one of the best blogs in this university. Like previously when I was there were just 3 blogs, but now this blog, the library, it gives Korean culture and it looks like that.
जब
And
खाना खा रहे थे ना ऊपर, जब दैट कल्चर.
yeah, exactly. And that was a very pretty
गलगोटियास
space.
के सारे बच्चों का ये फेवरेट ब्लॉग रहता है. यहाँ बैठ के पढ़ना उनकी हॉबी रहती है.
Definitely, especially the stairs.
हाँ,
It's lovely.
It's kind of that movie वाला वाइब देता है स्टेयर्स पे बैठ के.
Exactly. I wish it was in my time. मैं तो यहीं बैठे रहती पूरे दिन.
अच्छा अच्छा.
And the labs and all the facilities that we were introduced to today, we were amazed. Like every time they were taking us to a lab, we were like, wow, this is such a great opportunity for students at Galgotias now. Love it.
अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो?
So basically, I'm the founder of Social Up Marketing, and it's a marketing agency, and we are helping brands grow online. Basically, I started working when I was in 12th standard, so I've been working since that time. I was also in corporate. I was managing full-time job with college and everything. So
गलगोटियास ने अपॉर्चुनिटी दे दी कॉलेज करते हुए एंड आप जॉब भी कर रहे हो.
actually, the thing is, I started with internships, and then went into a full-time job. It was a remote job.
Okay.
So the good thing here is that the faculty is understood because I was also good in studies, but my job was in a completely different sector. It was in
मार्केटिंग एंड डिजाइन, और आपका कोर था CS.
BTech CSE. But the faculties were so supportive. Like, suppose there's an urgent meeting which I cannot reschedule. Suppose there's a meeting with some seniors in the company. I would go up to my faculty and say, sir, please allow me 15 minutes of time. Just let me get to this meeting. And they were actually understanding because they understood that, okay, I'll be able to cover up my courses. But he understood that, okay, if I give this child this some time, she will cover up.
Nice. बहुत अच्छी बात है. आपके पेरेंट्स क्या कह रहे हैं अभी?
My parents are so proud. I mean, अगर मैं जॉब कर रही होती, they were proud that time also. But जब switch करने की बात आई third year में, they were obviously doubtful. Every parent will be doubtful because they want their child to do the best. So they doubted initially, but then when I'm like, my company is working with such good brands, जो household brands हैं आजकल इंडिया में, like Surya Roshni, you can find their lights almost everywhere. When I told my dad, he was so proud.
उनको भी पता है ये ब्रांड्स के नाम एंड यू आर हैंडलिंग देयर सोशल मीडिया, वो क्लाइंट.
That's the best part about that.
कोई फ्रेंड वगैरह है जो बना हुआ हो आपका और अभी तक साथ हो गलगोटिया से?
Yes, in fact, he is there with us today also. And even my co-founder, Rosaman Tyagi, he is my partner at the company, and we joined the college together, and we have been through everything together. Even the friends we made in first year of college, we are still together.
गलगोटियास के फ्रेंड्स रहते हैं साथ में?
Definitely रहते हैं. Like, अच्छे दोस्त बनाओगे तो वो हमेशा रहेंगे.
कैसे बनाए अच्छे दोस्त?
लाइक बहुत ही अजीब अजीब स्टोरीज है सबकी. लाइक मी एंड अमन केम टुगेदर टू द कॉलेज. देन आई फाउंड गीतांजलि हु वाज इन माय क्लास. देन सेक्शंस चेंज हुए थे. देन वी फाउंड अनदर ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड. देन एक दोस्त मिला, ही लाइक उसको हम मिले थ्रू स्टूडेंट काउंसिल. सो स्टूडेंट काउंसिल हैज प्लेड अ मेजर रोल in our college life. That added the fun part to the university. Every day felt like you were living a festival. It was party and so much fun and so much growth from all of that.
नाइस मैम, क्या एडवाइसेस आप अपकमिंग स्टूडेंट्स को देना चाहोगे
Regarding
रिगार्डिंग कि कैसे वो करियर में ग्रो करे?
okay, basically my general advice to anyone, be it a student looking for placement or if you're looking to grow your own business, just go for it. Do not doubt yourself. Do not undermine yourself, and give it your all, because at like a lot of times we make excuses. Time nahi mil raha hai, ye nahi ho raha, wo nahi ho raha. But there's always time. You're just making excuses. Do not fool yourself and give it your all. That's all.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Thank you so much.